Most people run errands, I run missions. Today's objectives include taking pictures of plates, scanning honey products, and locating energy drinks. Welcome to the strange world of gig apps. Mission accept. This gig is at BJ's and it is for the disposable tableware and paper products, which doesn't sound very fun. I located the plates. Now, this mission on this app called Field Agent requires you to take a picture of each 4-foot section of the shelf or each pallet if it's a club store like this, which sounded easy, but entering the store, these aisles were huge. It was literally like 20 to 25 pictures for each products. The plates and silverware was absolutely brutal, but I think these are fun. I'm not speeding this up at all. This is the actual time it takes me to take these pictures. I've done an embarrassing amount of these, probably about 2,000 of these missions. Whenever I'm out passing by one of these stores and it's available, I'll take it. And over time, I developed the strategy of taking these pictures super fast. I do a sidestep, and as I'm sidestepping, I'm taking the picture. So it takes me as long to take pictures of the whole aisle, pretty much as it does to walk the aisle. Also, once you know where stuff is in the store, it'll be faster. So if it's a local store that you know, you'll be able to locate the product, get in, and get out. Get out. They're gonna want to see the product on the shelf. Sometimes it's a couple products, sometimes it's way too many products for the amount that they pay, and they're also going to want the displays. But the cool thing is, a lot of times there'll be multiple gigs at the same store. This one, I think I had a soda gig at the same store. I've seen up to 10 to 15 of these gigs at the same store, so that's when it could really add up. Most of them pay between $3 to $6. Now we're going to mission 2. This is at my favorite store to do these missions in, and one of my favorite stores, the actual shop, and that is Aldi. They have a lot of good deals there, and they also have a lot of these gigs. This is on the Field Agent app again, and this was for beverages. But at this store, the beverage section was much smaller than the one at BJ's, much smaller than the beverage section at Sam's Club or Walmart. So any gig at Aldi's is going to be a lot easier because there's just simply less products, less of the store. Instead of having every soda product known to man, they just have like Coke and Pepsi. So I got in. A lot of times there'll be multiple gigs at Aldi's, and it's a great store to do these, especially if you're just starting out. If you're doing your first one after watching this video, try doing one out at Aldi's. And it was super fun, and there was just a big chunk of the displays, and I waited till the end to get those displays. And then I finished my shopping, got the stuff I needed for my wife and kids, and then headed to the next store. Another great store if you're just starting out with these gigs is Family Dollar. The cool thing is, a lot of these gigs will drop at every Family Dollar, and in a lot of places, Family Dollar is on every corner, and you could do 5 or 6 of these on your way home from work or doing errands. So this is for a different app called Moby. Downside of this app is it pays in gift cards, but the upside of this app is there's going to be more gigs. So this one was for honey. All you had to do was take a horizontal picture of the honey, take a picture of the honey on the shelf, and then scan the barcode and take a picture on the back. Now at Family Dollar, this was super easy because there was only 3 honey products, 2 or 3. At Publix, there was more than 20, so I had to do the same thing but 17 more times, which did take a little bit long for what it paid, but I still think this one is fun. Like I said, once you do a lot of these, you'll get a system down. I'm kind of like a machine. When I'm taking the picture, scanning it, taking a picture of the back, I could get in and out really quick with these ones. So the 2 apps that I've been using so far are Moby and Field Agent. The last one is going to be on an app called Observa, and now we're hunting down spices. Really random, but it wanted me to take a picture of the spices at this fresh market location. They were supposed to be like zip tied to the shelf. It was super weird, so I was looking for this zip tie, taking a picture. Pretty much the same thing you have to do in the other apps, but this app, Observa, pays a little bit more, kind of like double. So I had to take a picture of the spices, answer a couple of questions. It was really easy, took about 10 minutes, and then now I am done. Most people see errands, I see opportunities. If I'm already going to the store anyway, I might as well complete this mission and get the reward. And if you want to see my full tutorial on the Field Agent app, check out this video over here.